The hallway leads to a really nice open great room. It's Erik Peterson, owner of Proven Realty, and I'm really excited about our new listing that we're bringing on. It's 1419 Meadowlark Court in the Stepping Stone subdivision in Watford City. Come take a look. First thing you'll notice is there's a bedroom off to the left as you walk in. Very nice location at the front of the house. We also have a really nice bathroom, full bathroom. The home comes with 3 full finished bedrooms, 2 bonus rooms downstairs, and 3 full baths. The hallway leads to a really nice open great room, which is really nice for entertaining, having parties, and having large family functions. Very spacious. Off the left side of the great room is a dining room, which can be used for formal dining, get-togethers, storage, or some type of an office right off of the kitchen. You'll also notice the spacious storage, really great functional layout in the kitchen, a really nice island as well, and high-end appliances, as well as granite countertops. Come check out the primary bedroom. It's pretty amazing. We have an entrance to the laundry room coming off of the garage. It's really nice. There's also down this hallway built-in storage. And this is the primary large bedroom. Big enough for any size bed, dressers, anything else that you might need. And then come check out the bathroom. Not 1, but 2 sinks. You've got a shower behind this door right here, a toilet, and of course the walk-in double closets. Lots of storage, lots of place to hang all of your clothes as well. Yeah, come on down and check out the basement. Yeah, this is the basement, really well lit, daylight basement. It's got a large family room down here, finished bedroom. Come take a look at that. Very spacious, really nice. Has great closets, built-in storage, and then also a really nice egress window. Nice large bathroom as well with a full tub and shower. Beautiful countertops, gorgeous wood floors, and you can tell that the owner was a custom builder. This is the laundry room, currently used by the current tenant as overflow storage. And then we have a utility room right in here, and then on either side, 2 large future bedrooms. They've been framed out. That's where the mechanical room is, lots of storage. You can customize those rooms any way that you see fit. If you have any questions, give me a call, 701-369-3949. We would love to invite you to come take a tour, come to one of our open houses, and also just check out this neighborhood. It is a great place to live. So, Proven Realty, let us know if you have any needs, and we'd be happy to help you.